Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Caviar gift card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and redeem a gift card from Caviar. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on. Next, click on Account on the bottom right corner. Afterwards, click on Payment, then click on Redeem Gift Card towards the bottom. Next, enter your gift card PIN here, and then with this gift card PIN, just go ahead and click on Redeem Gift Card after you enter it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and redeem a gift card on the Caviar app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.